Going to show you how you can create your own Telegram channel and how you get your Telegram in private and stop people from downloading any of your videos you have there. Guys, let's go to Telegram channel now. If you don't have Telegram, go to your Play Store and download Telegram. You click on message, this pencil here. This pencil here. You click on it, okay? New channel. You also see secret chat, new group. Any of them you want to open. So we are going to open a new channel now. You click on new channel. What is the name and what kind of name are you going to give to your channel? Like me, okay, let me say Ima. And you add your profile picture. Add your profile picture here. You put your name. You want any emoji, you can put it also. And you also put your channel description here. Because I've already have channel, I don't want to create any channel, but I want to show you guys example on how you can create your own Telegram channel. I'm going to choose any of the emoji here. Just choose this one, okay? You click on this place. Set channel photo. You click on it. Then you add your description on what all your channel is all about, ABC, or what your channel is all about. Then you click here. To create. So you say, is your channel public? Is it public? Or is it, you want it public or do you want it private? So if you don't want anybody to be downloading your videos, then you can put it in private. You click on private. You can copy your link. So you can copy your link to anybody. Then you click on this here. This tick here. You click on it. Say you should add anybody. 0 member. If you like, you add anybody. You don't like, leave. So you click on this arrow here. This place. This arrow here. You say only 1 subscriber. So we are here to put our channel in private so that you cannot copy anything. You cannot screenshot from this channel now. Alright. Click on the 3 dot line here. This both channel just come out newly that Telegram just created new. So if you want to post your channel, you can post it. But if since it is private, you don't give someone the link to join, that person cannot join, so you cannot post it. Okay. You click on this your name. Click this place here. It will take it to another place. So you set here. It will take it to another place for setting. Okay. So what are we going to do? You click on this pencil here to edit our channel. Click on it. This is your channel. You say your channel is in private. If you want to add discussion group, you can add any discussion. Appearance is level 1. Yeah. Sign message. You want to send message to somebody, make sure you sign. You can keep it on, but it's not necessary. Are you going to sign message all the time? No. Okay. So set new photo. You want to change your picture, you can change it, but that's not what I'm going to do now. So what type of reaction do you want? Do you want all this reaction, heartbroken, laughing, all those things in your channel, emoji, getting angry? If it's that type of emoji you like, you can leave it off. But if it is not all the emoji you want, you can take it off. Or you can click it off. Then you update it. Then after updating, or you can go and select the emoji, the type of emoji you want. So administrate is you. If you want to share your link to people to join you, this is where you see your link. You can invite people to your group. Alright. You want to put our private for no screenshots in our channel. This is what you are going to do. Click here. Click on private. This line here. You see, your channel is in private. Then this, you see this place. This place. Restrict saving content. Then you turn it on. If you don't want anybody to save your content, even screenshot. Telegram will not allow them to screenshot, will not allow them to forward it, will not allow them to copy, will not allow them to download anything from your channel because you restrict all those things. So when you restrict them, they will not have any access to copy your content. It's only you, especially for those that are selling courses. This is especially for you people. Telegram is a good place for you to use. If you are a business owner, you can also create a channel, a public channel. Yes, you create your own channel, you put it in public. Then you add people to your channel and add 2,000 people into your channel. Then from there, you can give them a group messages and it will go to all of them at the same time. It's very good for your business if you want to do business. If you are a business owner, Telegram is very good for you to update your customers, everybody that you want to update them. It's very good. So you can set up your channel. After everything, you click it on set. That's why I didn't want to set it. There's no need of me opening another channel for now. Maybe later I'll need a channel, but for now I don't need any channel. So after this, I will delete it out. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'm your girl Imabo.